Hi students, welcome to the class. Now we are going for next question. That is welcome to the next method. When each co-venture will keep record of only easy transactions, means we have to record only easy transactions. We should not record the other co-venture transactions. But this method, this one it deals with both your when each co-venture will keep record of all transactions as well as your first method. It is combining of both first one as well as the second one. See here, first one. See the question. Albert and Basha were partners, sharing 4/5 and 1/5. That is the ratio. The ratio is 4:1 ratio. Albert supplies goods worth rupees 5,000. Go for two. One is Albert. One more is Basha. First one. Albert supplies goods for rupees 5,000. That is Albert. What is the entry? That is joint venture account data to Albert account. This is the entry for which one? Entry for goods supply. Thank you. Next one. Same. Albert supply goods for rupees 5,000 and expenses rupees 400. Any kind of expenses, that is joint venture account data to Albert account. This is the entry for expenses. Next one. Basha supply goods for rupees 4,000. Basha supply goods for rupees 4,000. That is joint venture account data to Basha account. It is for goods. Same. Next one. Expenses rupees 300. That is joint venture account data to Basha account. It is for expenses. Next one. Basha sales goods worth rupees 12,000. Basha sale. That is Basha account data to joint venture account. Next one. Basha is entitled to a commission of 5% on sales. Any kind of commission, that is expenses, rebate. Joint venture account data to Basha account. This is for commission. This is for sale. Now, give the journal entries in the books of Albert. Assuming you record easy transactions only. When come to easy transactions, in the sense, I should not take into picture any kind of transaction of Basha. I need to record the transaction only of Albert. That is only to the first one. Then second one is the two entries I need to record in the books of Albert. I should not keep any kind of transaction of Basha. Whereas when come to first method, that is in a previous situation, we need to record Albert as well as Basha. That is each column keep record of all the transactions. When come to second one, we have to maintain only easy transaction. Is in the sense only I need to maintain only Albert transaction, that is first entry, then second entry. This is first one. When come to first method, here we need to record both. One more. At the time of joint venture, I am recording only transactions here, only two transactions. But while recording two transactions, I cannot say that through by those joint venture business I got profit or loss, right? So the situation I am preparing both, that is Albert as well as Basha. For that I need to open one account, that is memorandum. Memorandum joint venture account. This account is prepared mainly to identify the whether they got profit or loss. Ultimately, is working. This account is prepared while using the first method. That is when they are maintaining, they are not maintaining any kind of separate set of books of accounts. See, memorandum joint venture is nothing but your joint venture. See the first one, joint venture account data to Albert account. That is for goods supply. Joint venture account data to Albert account. Next one, joint venture account data to sale Albert account. Which are those? That is for materials. And one more is your expenses. How much is materials here? 5,000. Expenses 400. So total is 5,400. Next one, Albert is what? Next one go for Basha. It is joint venture account at R2, Basha account, joint venture account at R2. Joint venture account at R2, Basha account, it is for expenses. How much Basha spent this one. Expense here, goods separate is 4,000. Again, the next one also joint venture account at the Basha account, that is 1 entry for materials, 1 entry for expenses. How much is materials here? 4,300. That is 4,300. Value you are getting 4,300. Next one, Basha account at R2, joint venture. So go for by Basha account. This was sale. Sale 12,000. Next one, for that sales, he has taken some kind of commission. That is joint venture account at R2, Basha account. How much is commission? That is 5%. So go for 12,000 into 12,000, 1,200, office 600. Identify whether we got profit or loss here. Credit say 12,000 minus of 5,400 minus 4,300 minus 600. So what is the profit amount here? My profit amount is I'm writing here. My profit amount is 1,700. That is to profit transfer. That is how much? 1,700. Now this profit I am to share here. How to share? In the books of whom? In the books of Albert. Albert share I am to write it as profit and loss, like previous situation. Then the remaining amount we should take it as Basha. Profit and loss, then Basha. That is 1,700 into 4 by 5. That is 1,360 for Albert and 340 for Basha. This is the profit from the joint venture. How much is the profit? 1,360 is the profit as taken by Albert through my joint venture. Mainly to identify the profit or loss, so we need to prepare some kind of memorandum joint venture account. This account, see, this account is prepared by using your first method, that is when separate set of books are maintaining, and then making separate set of books of account, or when maintaining joint venture account, same method we applied here, right? Next one, here, but here we integrated only easy transactions. Then come to journal entries. Journal entries in books of Albert. Books of Albert, listen, I need to follow only those two transactions. I should not record any kind of transaction of Basha. First one, joint venture account at R2, Albert account. When come to joint venture, see, as a Albert, I am maintaining, I am not taking over any kind of joint venture with only with Basha. I am doing some kind of joint venture with some other persons as well, like some other like A, B, C, as well as any kind of Z. So kind of persons, I am taking over not only one joint venture, I am taking over number of joint venture business. When come to here, this joint venture belongs to only Albert and Basha. So I need to write joint venture with Basha account, data 2, that is Albert. Instead of in the books of Albert, I should not write Albert. erase this one. Instead of Albert, I need to write what? That is purchase account, because I am supplying goods here. When company joint venture to Albert, Albert ignore, instead of Albert expenses, it is a kind of bank account. That is like your previous video. Joint venture with Basha Pandita to purchase account. B, that is goods supplied. Next one, joint venture account data to bank account. Sorry, joint venture with Basha account data to bank account, that is B, expenses paid. Which goods supplied, that is 5,000. Then come to Basha, that is expenses 400. Next one. By this joint venture with Basha account, whether he got profit or loss, he is getting profit. How much the profit amount? 1,360. That is 2. Joint venture with Basha account data 2. Profit and loss account. What is the value? That is 1,360. 1,360. That is profit transfer to profit and loss. This is created to our Albert. Next one, when you come to Basha, at end of the accounting year, whether Albert has to pay some kind of amount to Basha or Basha has to pay some kind of amount to joint venture, that we have to identify here. For that identification, we have to prepare one more ledger account, that is joint venture with Basha account. First one, joint venture with Basha account to purchase account to purchase. What is the value? That is 5,000. Next one, joint venture with Basha account to bank. What is the value? That is 400. Next one, joint venture with Basha account to PN account is 1,360. Identify the balancing figure amount. That is 5,000 plus 400. That is to purchase is 5,000. Bank 400. Joint venture with Basha account to PN account is 1,360. Then no transactions. That is 5,000 plus 400 plus 5,400 plus 1,360 is 6,760. 6,760, we should take it as by bank account, that is 6,760. This transaction of the year, that is what is the entry, that is bank account data to joint venture with Basha account, that is 6,760, then 6,760. This is the journal entries in the books of Albert. If the same question if it is asking in the books of Basha, go for same. Memorandum joint venture account, it remains common for both Albert as well as Basha. We should not change any kind of transaction memorandum joint venture account. We have to make only a few changes when it comes to if asking any kind of transaction in the books of Basha. Record all the transactions of Basha here, then profit, then open some kind of account with Albert, joint venture with Albert account. Identify the transaction differences, take it as bank, then go for those kind of transactions. This one entry, for this entry we need to open to account that is joint venture Basha upon next identify whether he has to pay he has to give the amount to us for this one. Then through a joint venture whether we got profit or loss, to identify those things we will identify the joint venture. Remaining things common like your when the record only is all the transactions. When come to here, it is the following your first method, that is when they are maintaining, when they are not maintaining any kind of separate set of when they are maintaining separate set of books or accounts, same transaction here. This one, then this one, it is like clubbing of two methods. First method and second method. This is the third method. Clubbing of first method, then second method. We need to go for last method. This is how the transaction deals with your when they are maintaining recording only old transactions. That is transaction 1. This is the problem with regard to your all the three methods. All the three methods we solve different set of problems. So before going to the practical problem or numerical problems, first visit our theory, that is introduction to joint venture. In that one, we are getting complete picture of entire joint venture, so that when come to problems we can easily apply those concepts here. Thank you, my dear students.